Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an entire house clean with me. My aim was to do each room in 5 minutes today, and that did not happen. So I'm cleaning the whole house. I hope you enjoy it. It definitely took me longer than 5 minutes per room. So enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first room we're going to start with today is the kitchen. I thought 5 minutes would be enough for this room, but my oh my was I wrong. 5 minutes in this kitchen, I just didn't even scrape the surface. So I probably did around 15 to 20 minutes in each room. There's Vinny there just giving you a little wave. But yeah, let's get started in the kitchen. So 5-minute timer started. I'll show you how far I get in a second, but basically I'm just going to put all of the dishes away that I had done in the morning. It's really early in the morning. I just thought I'd get things done whilst the boys were watching TV in the living room. So I'm just going to put all of the washing away and then sort out the clutter zone, which is right by the door. It's where we always put stuff and everything kind of piles up there. I thought that when we got our utility room that area would stay clean and clear, but that is not the case. It's always a clutter zone, so I'll show you that in a second. So this is the area I mean. So I've got some recycling, some items that I've been kind of saving up for some DIYs. So I'm going to put those by the door so we can pop those in the garage. And then everything else is kind of random beauty stuff that I've just brought downstairs with me. So I need to take all of that up in this little box which I bought from Poundland. It's actually really useful for stuff like that. So I'm going to tidy that up. There's the recycling there, and this is what I had done in 5 minutes, so not a lot really. So I'm going to carry on working. I'm just filling up the water bottle. That's one of Mark's water bottles, putting that in the fridge. And then I'm going to give the surfaces a good wipe down. This always makes the kitchen look nice and clean, so it's always my last job in the kitchen that I will do, and it just makes it look nice and sparkling clean. So I'll also just go over to the dining room area as well and clear the table. Just a few little bits left over there from breakfast and stuff, so I'm just going to tidy that up. The dining room is looking pretty bare at the moment because we're currently decorating it, so we're trying to keep it as minimal as possible. So that is the dining room done. That is the kitchen done. So in 5 to 15 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes, that is what I got done. So yeah, a quick spruce up, definitely made it look a little bit neater than it was. That's the recycling ready to go outside into the garage, and that is the kitchen all done. Right, now we're going into the utility room, which is a room I go in every morning to put some washing on. So at the moment there is so much washing with the kids home, so I'm going to pop a load of washing on now, and then I'm just going to give the surfaces a wipe down. So basically I need to clear the surfaces in here. Again, this is another clutter zone. We just put things there, then I don't take them up, and then it just like builds up. So I'm going to take everything upstairs, and then I'll put everything away when I go upstairs later on. Hey, I need to fix that picture up there, don't I? What is going on with that? It's wonky. I have honestly got a problem with pictures at the moment. All of them are going wonky and falling down on me, so I need to go around the house and sort them all out. So that is the utility room done now. I'll put another load of washing on later on when this cycle is finished, and now we're going to go upstairs to the hallway. When I did the bathroom a few weeks ago, I sorted out the products and then I ended up leaving them up here, and I just have been meaning to sort them out, but this area has been getting messier and messier as the weeks have gone on, so I need to sort it out and put them away. It's been stressing me out every time I go upstairs and walk past it, so I'm going to sort all of that out. A lot of the products there are empty or need to go in the bin or recycling, and there are some other products that are still full that I need to put away as well. So I'm going to do that and also put away some of the cleaning products that I left there also. Let me know if there's an area in your house that just accumulates, like clothing, clutter, toys, everything, because this is one of the areas that always looks messy very, very quickly. So yeah, I definitely need to sort that out and keep it tidy. So I'm just popping some bits at the back of this laundry cupboard because in the laundry basket is actually quite a lot of room in there. So I'm going to put everything I don't need in there and then pop it to the back of the cupboard out the way. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So So the hallway is finally cleared, hallelujah. I've been waiting to do this for so long, so I'm glad I got that done. These are just some bits that I need to take downstairs, do some more washing and some recycling also. So that's that done. Now let's go into the living room. This is what it's like at the moment. The boys have gone out to play, so I'm going to give it a little tidy. They did tidy up their dinosaur toys, well, Renzo's dinosaur toys, so that was very kind of them. But now I need to sort out the rest of it. So it just starts with basically putting all of the cushions and pillows back onto the sofa because we always take them down because of Orlando. So I'm going to put that away because he is currently napping at the moment. And then I'm going to work on the other side of the room as well. Now I'm just filling up the nappy caddy, which was always beside me here. We used to have this underneath the console table, which was next to the sofa, but we found that that just accumulated a lot of clutter and mess. And having it next to me on this chair, or well, beside this chair even, is much easier and stays a lot tidier for longer. So that's what we do. So I'm just replenishing the nappies in there, getting rid of some old balloons from Renzo's birthday, and also popping away that blanket in the ottoman. Last job in here is to vacuum. I'm actually going to vacuum the whole house later as well because that needs doing. And then I'm going to pop on a wax melt. And the wax melt that I've got in here at the moment smells like Jean Paul Gaultier. It was gifted to me ages ago. The company is not going anymore, which is such a shame. But oh my goodness, it makes the room smell incredible. So that is the living room all done. I'm not going to move the footstool or the little table because there's no point, because Orlando will be down here soon and I would have to move it back. So that is how it looks now, much tidier and a little bit more presentable. Let's go upstairs now. We're in Vinny's bedroom and I just need to put a few little crafty bits away and make his bed. Also, I'm just going to do some dusting as well. So let's get on with Vinny's room. I really love this shelf in Vinny's room. We bought it a few months ago now from lizaprideaux and it's just so nice. So I'm just taking everything off of here and giving it a little dust and then putting it back. I often get asked about the light in Vinny's room. So this pendant here is from IKEA and we got it when we moved in, I think, actually. So yeah, we've had it quite a while now. Now I'm just going to make Vinny's bed quickly. He actually made his bed this morning. He did a really good job, but I'm just going to go over and make it a little bit neater whilst I'm here. Right, let's go into Renzo's room now and just give this a little tidy up. This is the smallest bedroom, well, second to smallest bedroom in the house, so there's quite a lot of stuff in here as well, so it can often get quite messy quite easily and quite quickly. So I'm just going to dust the light there. I haven't done that in so long and it was really, really dusty, so I'm glad I got to do that. I'm just going to make his bed and I'm also going to move some bits around in his room as well. I don't know about you, but any clear surface in my house often turns into a pile of stuff. So this is what happens with this toy box very often. So this toy box here is from IKEA, and because I usually keep it clear, it always ends up having stuff on it, so clothes, things like that. So I'm just going to move the books over here from the other toy box, just because I thought it would be nice to have it on this space, because this doesn't really have anything on it usually. And then I'm just going to leave the toys on this toy box here. So that is Renzo's room all done. I'll come back and show you the whole house once I've given it a little vacuum as well. So I'll show you Vinny's room in a second. But now let's go into the family bathroom. This isn't looking too bad actually. So I just gave it a little quick once over. So I literally spent about 5 minutes in here. So this is the family bathroom before. Just got a few products and bits out and toothbrushes and stuff. And also the radiator has got more stuff on it. I told you guys that I often just drape things over this, and this is what it's looking like right now. So I need to tidy all of that away. So first of all, I'm just going to start by getting rid of all of the clothes that were on there, and I'm going to put those away. Now I'm just using some glass and mirror spray, so I'm cleaning the mirror and also the shower screen just to make sure they're smear free and shiny. Once I'm finished in the bathroom, I like to use my Dettol liquid. So this is really, really lovely. It smells like orange, I think. I can't remember now the scent. But basically, I'll just put some hot water in the sink and also put my sponge in there to let it soak. And it just makes the room smell gorgeous. So I'm just using my spray mop now. And I also clean the toilet down as well. So now that is done, we're going to move on into my bedroom, which isn't looking too bad. Obviously, we've got the clothes in there, which I've just taken from this room into my bedroom. So I need to put those away. So this is my bedroom now. So a few bits that I brought up from downstairs. I did make my bed in the morning, which I do every morning when I get up. This room always looks tidier for longer because it hasn't got that much stuff in it. So it's literally got the bed in it, and then everything else is hidden behind the wardrobe, which is really, really great for hiding the mess. Now I'm just finding a little home for the products that I brought up from the kitchen. So you remember I had that box of bits. So I'm putting those away and finding a home for them. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to wipe down the bedside tables. Right, back downstairs now, so we're in the downstairs toilet. This is just a small room. This is basically the boys' room, so they're always in this toilet. They always use this toilet, so I'm giving it a good wipe down, cleaning everything, cleaning the mirror and everything else, the toilet and all of that. Once that is done, I'm going to move to the stairs and just give these a little dust because I haven't dusted these pictures in a while. And I also need to make sure the pictures are in there correctly because at the moment there's a couple that are wonky, so I do need to go over that soon. Now I'm just using my spray mop again and just cleaning the floors in the hallway and also the downstairs toilet and the utility room. So the last job of the day now is to just vacuum all of the rooms upstairs. I've already done downstairs when Orlando was sleeping, so I didn't get to do it when he was sleeping, obviously upstairs, because I didn't want to wake him. So now he's awake, I'm just opening his shutters and putting his sleeping bag over his bed, and that is it in his room. I'm not doing anything in his room today. And that is pretty much it. So let me show you what the rooms look like right now. So this is my bedroom all finished for the day, looking much tidier. Well, it wasn't too bad actually, this room to start with, but this is my bedroom now. This is the hallway, which was so messy. The hallway was really annoying me, so I'm so glad that I managed to clear that. That is all cleared now. And then we've got the bathroom, which is also all cleared and tidy. We'll move into Renzo's room now, shall we? Yep, this is Renzo's room. All clean and tidy, and now we've moved the books out of the way. That looks much fresher and less cluttered, which I like. And then in Vinny's room, his room is all clean and tidy as well now, so his room wasn't too bad either, but it's just nice and clean. Fresh bed all done, and that is that. Let's go downstairs as well. So this is the utility room, and then we've also got the kitchen area as well. So this was basically meant to be a 5-minute spruce up of each room today, which is why it wasn't too crazy, like messy. However, I'm really glad I got it all done, even though it wasn't 5 minutes per room. Maybe I'll get it down to a less time next time, but this is the whole house as you see it now. So it's all done, and now I can relax for the evening. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video, guys. Bye!
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.